kill you too. Here we go again. Here we go again. Young white boy whips door of black family. Dad arrested. Caught on camera. Doorbell news. Ring video doorbell camera video. Or subscribe or whatever. You know, I'll be forgetting to shout to people's out or whatever. But sometimes you can see their teams on there. But anyway, let's get into this video because I'm sure, you know, I seen it. But we're going to watch it again because it's still big blood my damn mind.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Hey guys, so check out this video of this little boy coming to my house, beating on my door with a whip. Take a look at this. Also, please like, share, and comment.
Okay, let me get it together. Every time I see this. Oh.
Little boy, you better get your ass from off my porch beating on my door like this. I will call the police. You need to leave. Don't you ever beat on my goddamn door like that. Go. Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna run that shit back again. You know, I'm triggered by this shit. You know, I say cause little Timothy and shit like that. You know, I say he had a very weapon shit. You see how he hit that motherfucker? Hey, you see how she opened up that door and said what she said? Not saying for shit I would say. You hit my motherfucking door one more time. Coming to my door with a fucking whip and shit, little boy. I'm gonna take the whip and whip your ass. I'm gonna have to take one for the team or some shit. Cause see that right there, that. Oh shit. Okay. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Cause no little Timothy is going in. And you can tell he been doing that shit for shit. This ain't the first fucking time and shit. He done did some shit like this. I'm gonna run that shit right back.
Watching Doorbell News.
Hey guys, so check out this video of this little boy coming to my house, beating on my door with a whip. Take a look at this. Also, please like, share, and comment.
Hey, mine.
Little boy, you better get your ass from off my porch beating on my door like this. I will call the police. You need to leave. Don't you ever beat on my goddamn door like that. Go. Okay.
Okay, so now that they going to the parents' house, that this shit. This is a crazy ass video. By far. It's the whip. Yeah. And the father.
I saw him.
Your dad's here. I just seen him. I need to talk to him. Your dad is
And
here.
the
I just
little
seen him walking
motherfucker
out.
is screaming outside the door to him.
I don't know who you talking to, little kid. I'm need to talk to your dad.
Little boy still. You can tell how their parents, how they talk to their parents. First of all, you ain't finna be answering my door. You a little boy, little girl, little child.
You hear him?
What'd he say?
You recording me?
Yeah.
The little kid, he yelling through the door. Did you hear me? Yelling through the door.
You know, they probably locks his parents out the house often, you know, and they banging on the door. Let us in, Lord Timmy. We promise we'll take you to go get some ice cream and shit.
Alright, we'll be here.
That's sad that we can't even have a conversation with them.
Yeah, that's real.
Your son beat on mine. I need to talk about these damages to my car. Your son, let me show you the video. If you come outside and talk like an adult, then maybe we can figure it out. I'm trying to have a civil conversation. We can take it somewhere else if you want to. I need to show you the video of your son hitting our door with this whip and hitting our car. So, you want to see this video? Have you seen it?
I don't know, but I know that my son told me that your boy jumped him on his way home.
My boy, my son.
Our son is.
You coming outside with I'm trying to have a conversation with you. You coming outside with
Yeah, because I saw the way you started walking.
Here come outside. What's a gun?
Walking up on me, we've already had beef before.
We don't
And
have
I'm
beef.
not having it.
I'm coming to have a conversation with you, sir. Your son, I'll show you the video. This is what your son came to our house to do.
Our son is 13. He doesn't even go to Lewis.
My son, how did my son jump?
Okay, so he beat on your door.
Okay, now we have a huge scratch on
Can you come look at our car?
with the whip.
So he looks at the video and say, okay, so here's something about your daughter. Not to apologize that you just accused her son of jumping him. And if your son got jumped, it's probably because he was running around trying to whip black boys with a fucking whip and shit. He probably should have been got jumped. I've done no fuck shit like that. Then triggered me up again and shit. You know what I'm saying? I got a story time for y'all. You know what I'm saying? About a little boy that kind of resemble him and act like him and on some. I was a direct care worker and taking care of a nonverbal patient. Anyways, he had step kids, not step kids, but adopted brothers and sisters. Anyways, let's get back to this. This shit right here. There's little ones. Ooh,
That came from the whip. We need to figure out how we're gonna figure out.
My son never touched your car.
We
You got
have
no video that he touched your car?
the neighbor does across the street.
You got video?
Come over here.
Not really.
We have it on video.
All right, get off my property. Seriously, get off my property.
Well, I tell you.
Because you ain't coming over here talking nicely. You're accusing my son.
I'm showing you the video.
We're showing you the video.
On the door. You ain't showing me the video of him scratching your car. Get off my plan. That's my vine. Get off my plan.
Baby, get off the vine.
I ain't even gonna go there.
No, that's my grapevine.
All right, man.
Okay,
All right.
thank you.
You owe me a plant if
I don't owe you shit. Fuck you. I bet you won't bring your motherfucking ass.
Can you please stop, sir?
Yes, get on his grapevine. He petty than a motherfucker and shit. Then you can tell he a drunk. Then look at her. I didn't even notice her at first and shit. You know, I said the first time I seen the video, she just standing there and shit. Is that the mother or that the daughter? Shit, he probably beat the brakes off of her as soon as he gets his beer in his fucking system and shit. And the little boy probably be cussing his ass out because he drunk all the motherfucking time. Probably be whooping that ass up in that motherfucker. But now he worried about the fucking grapevine. Bitch, your son just came with the whip and goddamn like he about to hang somebody and shit like that. And then fuck with our cuz. You don't do that. Don't do that. And then talking about we already had beef. Damn, she did. Shit, I been off for you. I mean, fuck that. Like, I don't even know your motherfucking ass. Like this shit right here, like, shout out to, again, doorbell news and shit. Oh, I love this shit. I like to do more of these reactions to these right here because I've been watching some of this shit, this doorbell news shit that I've been like, what is really going on? Like, don't do that. Don't do.
All we want to do is just talk to you civil.
That's the problem. You and your kids want to play fucking victim. Your son came over here.
Y'all are so violent.
Your son came over here.
Baby, please, no.
Your son came over here with a fucking whip. Bring his ass over here again and see what
Please.
the fuck happened.
You have a gun.
Come over here on my side and see what the
You
fuck
have
happened.
a.
Fuck out of here.
Bring your motherfucking ass outside without the gun then, bitch.
I've already come out before.
Come on, let's do it. No, baby, get back. Oh my God. Oh my God.
And then he lets the gun off. He said he already came over that bit far. They said drug or something because they're not responding to that. Like, yeah, you done came to my house and shit like that. Like, yeah, we didn't, but this something different today and shit. So I'm fucking confused on that. I just missed some shit. He just let the gun off in the floor. He didn't even shoot it in the air and shit. You know what I said? Like, what really gonna let me run that shit back again? Here we go.
You're so violent.
Your son came over here.
Baby, please, no.
Your son came over here with a fucking whip. Bring his ass over here again and see what the fuck happened.
You have a gun.
Come over here on my side and see what the
You
fuck
have
happened.
a.
Fuck out of here.
Bring your motherfucking ass outside without the gun then, bitch.
I've already come out before.
Come on, let's do it. No, baby, get back. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
I just want to say, can we all get along?
Sal Montana with Doorbell News. I would just hope in the future that if two children were having a problem with each other, and the parents resolve the issue in a non-hostile way. Texas is a stand your ground state. The father, whose car was whipped, he really could have got himself shot and things really could have gone south. I don't think you should approach people's houses. If anything, maybe he should have caught him outside the next day when things weren't as heated and maybe spoke to him at a distance, maybe caught him when he was outside at his, doing something in the garage and spoke to him at a distance, because people can get hostile when you come to their door. As you could see or as you could hear, the man said that he came to the door with a gun. Most people do come to the door with a gun because they feel threatened when people that they don't know comes at them, comes to their front door. He did say that they had some prior beef, and I understand that. Yeah, I'm sure the black father was pretty upset about what happened. He felt like it was out of place for the kid to...
Listen. This shit right here gotta stop. First of all, get your motherfucking kids involved. And the parent did what's right. That father, he did what he was supposed to do. Because had he snatched your little Timothy up, he'll be in handcuffs. Or you would have came over there and tried to shoot him. So I don't see nothing wrong with him going and knocking on the door and saying, hey, parents are parents, your child come over here whipping my door and shit like he a slave master and shit like that, and then he go fuck up my car and shit like that. You know what I say? Like, what really going on here? What really going on? People just really have issues out there. And then they roll their issues over to their children, and their children go out to the world like the little Timothy, and then the little Tops boy and shit like that. You know what I say in New York and shit. They go out and they do fuck shit like that. And I say, little Timothy, he gonna be just like the little guy in New York come years later. You already see how that is. His behavior out of control, so he ain't gonna have. He already ain't got no control of Timothy. And I'm out to this bitch.